Communication is everywhere. It's the stories we tell, the messages we send, and the connections we create.
It's the voice of journalists uncovering the truth, the vision of filmmakers bringing stories to life, and the strategy of media experts shaping conversations.
And here, the University for Humanity, we venture into the fast-changing world and make an impact from behind the scenes as BUenos. In pursuit of being a great student, we are guided by 4 values: scholarship, the thirst for knowledge that ignites the mind; leadership, the courage to take forward;
Service, the heart that reaches out and the hands that help. Character, the strength of integrity and the power of kindness. These four pillars define the journey and shape the future of each BUeño.
Welcome to Bicol University! Did you know that Bicol University is a premier state university in the Bicol region? Founded on June 21, 1969, to the passage of RA 5521, or an act establishing Bicol University.
Since then, Bicol University has expanded its offerings to include a wide range of courses across various fields, such as multimedia, engineering, architecture, automotive, and medicine. It now offers programs like Doctor of Medicine and Dentistry, among many others.
Bicol University students never fail to amaze the university. These serve as a tremendous source of inspiration to every Bicolano. Students of the university consistently rank at the top in board exams and competitions, both locally and internationally.
Welcome sa kolehiyo ng matatalino, matatapang, talentado at magagaling, the College of Arts and Letters.
Its history dating back to September 10, 2004, as per Board of Regents Resolution number 75. Its objective was to nurture graduates with creative and critical thinking skills who were well prepared to confront the challenges of both the academic and cultural realms.
Bukal houses a wide range of programs and organizations such as journalism, performing arts, literature, English language, broadcasting, and of course, our beloved communication.
Communication? Ano yun? Tapos, bakit naman communication? Ay, malalaman ko dun. Baka pagalitan lang ako nila mama. Kung ano lang kinukuha ko dyan sa communication na yan. Pero, siguro, pwede na yun?
Well, communication is a flexible program that is recognized for its hands-on experience and a wide range of applications from journalism to media production, public relations to digital content creation, and theatrical and film production. How about you, Jags? Bakit mo pinili ang com?
Aside from being a program which caters to a variety of career paths, communication is known to be a home to bright individuals. I am surrounded by curious, competitive, and creative individuals. After all, alam naman natin kung sinong tunay na magagaling.
As a communication student, I have experienced activities like photography, voiceover work, and video production, which gave me the opportunity to learn something new and expand my understanding of how various forms of media come together to tell a story.
The Communication Students Association of the Communication Department is one of the best organizations in Cal. They initiate workshops, outreach programs, and creation exhibits.
As we venture with what the university has continuously bequeathed to us, we aspire and persevere for our passions and future careers.
constantly aiming for greater heights and lofty goals, what we have achieved here will cultivate the next generation of critical thinkers and advocates for truth.
From writing and public speaking to media production and digital creation, we just don't learn communication. We shape society with it.
And whether it's fighting misinformation or creating media that inspires change, we get to be right in the heart of it all. Be a conqueror, as with your passion into profession.